I don't have the word to say. It's insane, which is what I've been saying the past 3 days. It's just so much water. It's just phenomenal.
In Fall City, the rain has stopped, but the roaring of the river continues. One of the main roads was overtaken by water, cutting off Duval and Carnation. Many were forced to turn around, including beekeeper Quentin Guillant, who fears his 24 bee colonies are gone.
And I am very worried that unfortunately they're going to be underwater.
We flew a drone and saw his boxes floating in the water.
Imagine if I was telling you there's 25 cows stuck there, 25 dogs. It's very sad.
The Snoqualmie River reached over 60 feet, the highest since 2008.
It's all like park, people would picnic out here.
Eastside Fire and Rescue saved a man and his dog from his flooded home. And last night, a helicopter rescued 2 drivers caught in swift waters, one on the road of their vehicle, the other in a tree.
It's my high school. It's also all flooded.
All the schools in the area are closed.
The water's probably about 2 feet deep in this picture. It's gotten worse now, though.
Public safety officials in King County expect today to be the worst, but high water levels will continue tomorrow.